Corrosion channel. My name is Maryam. I'm a researcher in the field of corrosion and protection of materials. Lesson 1, Section 1. Basics of electrochemical corrosion. 3 definitions for corrosion. Cause of corrosion. The first definition for corrosion is deterioration of materials due to electrochemical reactions with the environment. The second one is destruction of materials due to factors that are not necessarily mechanical, although mechanical factors accelerate corrosion and increase the rate of wrecking occurrence of at least one electrochemical reaction is necessary and precedes other factors in all types of corrosion. The third one, reverse process of extractive metallurgy. Why is corrosion defined as the reverse process of extractive metallurgy? Since corrosion is a natural process that converts a refined metal into a more chemically stable oxide, it is defined as the reverse process of extractive metallurgy. For instance, iron is produced by heating hematite in the presence of reducing agents. Iron corrodes and reverts to rust, thus completing its life cycle. Hematite and rust have the same chemical composition. Corrosion reaction occurs spontaneously, and therefore the free energy change is negative during a corrosion reaction. Although oxidation is a chemical process that involves the loss of electrons such as Fe equals Fe2 plus 2 electrons, we should not use the word oxidation instead of corrosion, as the word oxidation may bring to mind that corrosion requires oxygen, whereas corrosion can also occur in the absence of oxygen. Rust is referred to as the corrosion product of iron. This word is not used for corrosion products of other metals. Note: oxidation refers to corrosion at high temperature, typically at temperatures above 750 Fahrenheit. The Greek shipwrecks and maritime incidents in 1966. The Greek ship is the nickname of Kola F. She was built in 1943 under the name of Empire Trumpet. From 1946 to 1966, she passed through a series of British and Iranian owners and various changes of name. Her final owners were Greek. On July 25, 1966, Kola F ran aground on the southwestern coast of Kish Island in the Persian Gulf. This wrecked and corroded ship has become a tourist attraction in Iran. Cause of corrosion. The necessity of corrosion control. The global cost of corrosion is estimated to be $2.5 trillion, which is equivalent to 3.4% of the global GDP. According to data from the Financial Times, corrosion in its many forms is estimated to cost the global economy near $3 trillion a year due to damage to steel buildings and infrastructures. Corrosion costs are divided into 2 categories. 1. Direct costs. 2. Indirect costs. Direct and indirect costs of corrosion. The indirect cost of corrosion is conservatively estimated to be equal to the direct cost. That is, total direct cost plus indirect cost is 6% of the GDP. Evidence of the large indirect corrosion costs are lost time and thus lost productivity because of outages, delays, failures, and litigation. Multiple types of the direct costs of corrosion. Number 1. Equipment and structure replacement. Number 2. Product loss. Number 3. Maintenance and repair. Number 4. The need for excess capacity and redundant equipment. Number 5. Corrosion control, including inhibitors, coatings, cathodic and anodic protection. Number 6. Designated technical support. Number 7. Design. Number 8. Insurance. Liability insurance, insurance for accidents caused by equipment corrosion. Number 9. Parts and equipment inventories. It was determined that the total direct cost of corrosion in the United States is approximately $276 billion per year, which is 3.1% of the nation's gross domestic product. Overview of GDP and GNP, gross domestic product and gross national product. Gross domestic product is the value of the finished domestic goods and services produced within a nation's borders. On the other hand, gross national product is the value of all finished goods and services produced by a country's citizens, both domestically and abroad, provided that the value of those goods and services returns to the country. In a closed economy, GDP is always equal to GNP. An example for topic number 5, corrosion inhibitor. Corrosion inhibitors have widespread application in suppressing or at least mitigating corrosion process of metals in different fields spanning from industrial sectors to construction materials to surface treatment for cultural heritage. According to a standard definition, a corrosion inhibitor is a chemical substance that, when present in the corrosion system at a suitable concentration, decreases the corrosion rate without significantly changing the concentration of any corrosive agent. The global corrosion inhibitors market size was valued at $7.9 billion in 2021 and is projected to reach $10.1 billion by 2026, growing at 4.9% CAGR from 2021 to 2026. CAGR, compound annual growth rate, is the mean annual growth rate of an investment over a period longer than 1 year. In this figure, total percent cost of corrosion is illustrated. United States is assigned the largest percentage cost of corrosion in the world. Although 28 is greater than 18, we have to consider that there are 50 countries in the European region, not to be confused with the European Union that consists of 27 countries. Thank you for your time and bye.